I'm Krista Cupp, and this is the NRA-ILA Grassroots News Minute for Friday, November 13th. On October 28th, NRA filed a complaint in the Superior Court of Washington State against the City of Seattle, asking the court to declare a recently enacted administrative policy that prohibits firearms in parks, community centers, and other city-owned buildings as invalid. The city is in clear violation of Washington's preemption statute, which forbids localities from enacting this type of ban. In October 2008, Attorney General Rob McKenna issued an opinion which put the City of Seattle and Mayor Nichols on further notice that Washington cities may not enact local laws prohibiting possession of firearms on city property or in city-owned facilities. The Second Amendment Foundation, the Citizens Committee for Right to Keep and Bear Arms, and the Washington Arms Collectors Incorporated are working in conjunction with NRA in the lawsuit against the city to ensure that law-abiding Seattle gun owners should be allowed to protect themselves when they go about their business, even in a park or other recreational facility. We will be sure to keep you posted on this case as it develops. Over the past few years, we have reported on numerous outrageous cases of zero-tolerance enforcement defying logic and rational thought. There seems to be no shortage of this kind of miscarriage of not only justice, but of common sense. So here we go again. This week's outrage comes to us from Des Moines, Iowa, where a school recently suspended an 11-year-old girl for bringing a handful of empty shotgun shells to school. During a family trip to a ranch in South Dakota, the blank rounds were fired as part of a show, and the 6th grade student gathered the harmless empty shells as souvenirs. Once again, these were harmless empty shell casings from fired blank rounds. The girl didn't have a chance to show her souvenirs to her teacher, but she showed them to some friends and was subsequently suspended. Randy Gordon, the school's principal, said the harmless shells were considered ammunition, even though they were empty, and were therefore against school policy. The school's policy specifically bans live ammunition or bullets, but does not address blanks or empty shells or casings. Now, the girl's mother must fight to have the offense removed from her daughter's record. Classifying an empty shell from a blank as ammunition and punishing a young girl for possessing a harmless souvenir, by any standard, now that's outrageous. For more information on these stories and up-to-date legislative alerts, please visit our website at www.nraila.org. Now, the class of casings. Now, any standard must follow NRA-ILA.org. Mayor Nichols on 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 NRA-ILA. Must follow any standard. .org. NRA-ILA. Mayor Nichols on .org. NRA-ILA. Mayor Nichols on .org. For more information on these against school, NRA.org. Mayor Nichols on ILA. 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 NRA casings. Now, the class of stories and legislative alerts is a young girl Friday, November. Grassroots stories and legislative alerts is a young girl Friday, November. Grassroots stories and NRA-ILA.org. Legislative stories and alerts is a young girl Friday, November. Grassroots legislative stories and alerts is a young girl Friday, November. Grassroots legislative www at our website. Please visit not a drugs or empty during a family. Please visit not a drugs or empty NRA-ILA. Mayor Nichols on NRA-ILA.org. 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 Mayor Nichols on NRA-ILA.org.